Hey, it's Elizabeth. I'm at home and I've been craving mozzarella sticks, so I'm about to make some in an air fryer. It's a super fun kitchen gadget that uses a lot less oil to still get that crispy, crunchy coating, and it's super easy, so let's get started. Start by whisking together 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of water in a shallow dish. In another dish, add half a cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of dried Italian seasoning. In a third bowl, add 3/4 cup of panko breadcrumbs. You can use any kind of breadcrumbs you have on hand, whether it's seasoned Italian ones or some homemade ones you made with your own bread. Once you've got your egg, flour, and breadcrumb mixture all set up in a breading station, take 6 mozzarella sticks that have been cut in half and start coating them. Start by coating a mozzarella stick in the egg mixture, then place it in the bowl with your seasoned flour, turning it to coat. Put it back in the egg mixture and then into the breadcrumbs. Press down to make sure everything is nice and well coated. Place on a baking sheet and freeze until firm, which should take about an hour. These cheese bites will last in a freezer container for up to a month, and you can take them out and cook them in the air fryer whenever you're ready. Preheat an air fryer to 360 degrees and lightly coat the air fryer basket with cooking spray. Place your frozen cheese bites in a single layer in the air fryer, working in batches if you need to, because you don't want to crowd the air fryer. Make sure there's space in between all the cheese sticks so that the air circulates and the coating gets nice and crispy. Cook in the preheated air fryer until golden brown and cheese just begins to melt, which should take 4 to 6 minutes. While your mozzarella sticks are in the air fryer, stir together some spicy marinara sauce and a 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, but you can totally add more if you like it on the spicier side. I know I do. Serve the mozzarella sticks with some spicy marinara for a cheesy appetizer or snack that everyone's gonna love. These awesome mozzarella sticks were so easy to make. The marinara is so spicy and good. I hope you make it soon. Let me know what you think of these air-fried mozzarella sticks, or what else you like to make in an air fryer in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching!